Book of Numbers, Study Bible. Copyright 2025, all rights reserved. Chapter 2, 1445 BC, setting up camp. The Lord, Yahweh, said to Moses and Aaron,
Every man from the children of Jacob/Israel will set up their tent in their own designated area, with the sign, banner, of their father's house, far off from the tabernacle of the congregation.
The first rank, east side, camp of Judah, Nashon/Nashon. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
On the east side, toward the rising of the sun, will the camp of Judah set up their tents throughout their armies. Nashon/Nashon, the son of Amminadab, will be captain of the children of Judah.
The army of the tribe of Judah and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 74,600. Note: in Numbers 2, the King James Version uses the word host. The Masoretic text uses a Hebrew term meaning army. Therefore, the SSB will use army when referring to the organized military company or division of each tribe. End of note. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Those who set up their tents next to Judah will be the tribe of Issachar. Nathaniel, the son of Zuar, will be captain of the children of Issachar.
The army of the tribe of Issachar and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 54,400. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Then the tribe of Zebulun, Eliab, the son of Helon, will be captain of the children of Zebulun.
The army of the tribe of Zebulun and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 57,400. All that were numbered throughout their armies in the camp of Judah were 186,400. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
These will move forward in the first rank.
The second rank, south side, camp of Reuben, Elizur. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
On the south side will be the designated area of the camp of Reuben, according to their armies. The captain of the children of Reuben will be Elizur, the son of Shadur.
The army of the tribe of Reuben and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 46,500. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Those who pitch their tents by the camp of Reuben will be the tribe of Simeon. The captain of the children of Simeon will be Shelumiel, the son of Zurishaddai.
The army of the tribe of Simeon and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 59,300. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Then the tribe of Gad and the captain of the sons of Gad will be Eliasaph, the son of Deuel/Reuel III.
Note: in Numbers 2:14, the King James Version refers to Eliasaph's father as Reuel. However, in Numbers 1:14, his father's name was spelled Deuel. Furthermore, since the name Reuel was first used for the son of Esau in Genesis 36:4, and then used a second time for Moses' father-in-law in Exodus 2:16, Reuel number 2, the SSB will use the naming convention Deuel/Reuel number 3 for the father of Eliasaph. End of note. The army of the tribe of Gad and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 45,650. All that were numbered in the camp of Reuben throughout their armies were 151,450. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
And they move forward in the second rank.
The middle, between the second and third rank, Levites. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Then the tabernacle of the congregation will move forward with the camp of the Levites in the middle of the camp. As they encamp, so will they move forward, every man in his place by their family banner.
The third rank, west side, camp of Ephraim, Elishama. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
On the west side will be the designated area of the camp of Ephraim, according to their armies. The captain of the sons of Ephraim will be Elishama, the son of Ammihud.
The army of the tribe of Ephraim and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 40,500. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
By the tribe of Ephraim will be the tribe of Manasseh. The captain of the children of Manasseh will be Gamaliel, the son of Pedazur.
The army of the tribe of Manasseh and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 32,200. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Then the tribe of Benoni/Benjamin. The captain of the sons of Benoni/Benjamin will be Abidan, the son of Gideoni.
The army of the tribe of Benoni/Benjamin and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 35,400. All that were numbered in the camp of Ephraim throughout their armies were 108,100. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
And they move forward in the third rank.
The fourth rank, north side, camp of Dan, Ahiezer. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
The standard of the camp of Dan will be on the north side by their armies. The captain of the children of Dan will be Ahiezer, the son of Ammishaddai.
The army of the tribe of Dan and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 62,700. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Those that encamp by the camp of Dan will be the tribe of Asher. The captain of the children of Asher will be Pagiel, the son of Okran.
The army of the tribe of Asher and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 41,500. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
Then the tribe of Naphtali. The captain of the children of Naphtali will be Ahira, the son of Enan.
The army of the tribe of Naphtali and the fighting aged men who were numbered among them were 53,400. All that were numbered in the camp of Dan throughout their armies were 157,600. The Lord, Yahweh, continued speaking to Moses and Aaron.
They will move forward at the end with their family banners.
In summary, these are those which were numbered of the children of Jacob/Israel by the house of their fathers. All those who were numbered of the camps throughout their armies were 603,550. But the Levites were not numbered among the children of Jacob/Israel, as the Lord, Yahweh, commanded Moses. And the children of Jacob/Israel did according to all that the Lord, Yahweh, commanded Moses. As they pitched their tents by their standards, so they moved forward, everyone after their families according to the house of their fathers.